This is my review of the Fivesome ceiling fan with lights, low profile fan. It's a pretty nice fan. We placed it in the bathroom to cut down on help dry the room, because we don't have a fan in here, an exhaust fan, so it helps with the mildew and moisture. Here's the remote. This is the fan speeds. This is number 1, as you can see. You can hear this is, it's very quiet. I'm going up to 2, 3, 4. As we speed up, you'll start to hear it. 5 and 6. I mean, just the fan working. We'll go back down to 1. And this is for stopping. This is the reverse button right here. This button here is for brightness. You hold it, it dims the fan. You hold the other one, brightens the fan up, brightens the light again. This button here turns it on and off. This button here, you press that, it goes from a bright white to a cool white, and into a warm white, and then press it again and it goes back to your bright white. And then you got your settings here for, you can set it to stay on for an hour, 2 hours. It's actually a nice fan. These buttons here actually changes the temperature of the fan. The top one brightens it, and the bottom one, the bottom one brightens it. And the top one, if you hold, you have to hold it. You have to hold the button. It goes through temperatures. All in all, it's a good fan. You can see that it's a low profile fan. It's right to the wall. It was a breeze to install. Wasn't any trouble at all. And it really helps the circulation in the bathroom here, as far as mildew and mold. I highly recommend it. I think you'll be pleased. Thanks.